beautiful people, it's Jess and I'm here with a new video. In today's video we will be doing a cash stuffing of $390 and we're going to put that into our sinking funds. I've split up my videos to do variable expenses and sinking funds separately. I'm trying to see if I can edit my videos faster and make them a little bit shorter, so hopefully this works out. If this is your first time here, I welcome you to come and join me on my debt-free journey. I hope that you gain some knowledge and enjoy watching the content that you see. If you're returning and coming back, I really appreciate you coming back and watching my videos. Please feel free to leave any comments or suggestions down below. I greatly appreciate those. And without further ado, let's get started. I am still going to continue the digital tracking attempt. I don't know if I want to do that on camera or off camera. I will see. If it's taking up too much time, I'll just kind of cut it out or do them behind the scenes and then just get the video out for you. If you have a preference, please leave them down below. All right, so let's get started. So we are working with $390. I have the money right here. I'm going to fix it because it's all over the place. And if you know, you know, I need them all facing the same way. 390 is what we have. We're just gonna count to make sure that we have the correct amount. So I have 50, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200, 20, 40, 60, 80, 300, 310, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 75, 80, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90. So that's 390. So investing, we currently have, let's see how much we have. I actually recently saw a video. I can't remember whose channel it's on. I will put their channel right here on the screen. And they were currently doing a $1 daily investing challenge, and I thought that was just a genius idea. I honestly can't remember right now, but I will definitely put their channel right here so you can check it out. So I currently have in my investing, I have 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 75, 80, 85, 86, 87. I am adding a $20 bill. I am going to do a 20. And now we have 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 95, 100. Yay! So now I have 100, 5, 6, 7. So I have $107. So I made it up to my goal of investing. So hopefully when you watch my next video, I've made that decision. So I'll keep you posted on that. So I'm very excited, and I do plan on continuing to do this. That's that for my investing. And in our car fund, we currently have $100, $200, 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 300, 305, 310, 315, 320, 325, 340, 345. To our car fund, we will be putting in $60. So I am going to do 20, 40, 60, so 320s. So now we have 100, 200, 200, 20, 40, 60, 80, 300, 20, 40, 50, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95. So we have $395 and we added $60. into our car. So we have $3.95 into our car. I'm saving up so I can pay life with dollars. These are the random things that I get. So I'm saving up to pay my car insurance ahead of time so that I save some money with it and don't have to worry about it month to month. And I'm also saving for car maintenance, things like tires, oil change, things of that nature, which I've come to realize are super pricey and always happen when you least expect it. So that's the main function of my car fund. So moving on, we are going to do health. So our health fund currently has $100, $15, $110, $115, $120, $125, $130, $131. So we have $131 and we are adding $20. So I'm gonna grab a 20. So we currently have 100, 120, 125, 130, 135, 140, 145, 150, 151. Vacation fund. In our vacation fund, we currently have I've been working really hard on this one because we want to go away for the holidays. We have 100, 200, 300, 400, 450, 500, 520, 540, 560, 570, 580, 590, 600. We are adding $20. So with $20 added to the mix, we have $620. So now we have $620. Please excuse all the random little noises. That is my little toddler and my dog prancing around. So that's vacation. Next up, we are doing back to school. And a back to school is not getting stuff this week. We have after school aftercare. We currently have, we have to make a payment to the school soon. So I actually have to transfer some money out and make a deposit so I can make the payment. But currently in after school aftercare, we have 100, 150, 200, 20, 40, 60, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90. So we have 290, 92, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98. So we have 298 and we are adding $102. So I'm gonna do the 50s and then 2 ones. So now we have so now we have 100, 150, 200, 250, 300, 300. So we have 300, 320, 340, 360, 370, 375, 380, 385, 390, 392, 394, 395, 396, 397, 398, 399, 400. So we currently have $400. And we're making a deposit soon, so this amount will be different next time. Except we have Christmas, and we currently have in Christmas, I've recently been purchasing items here and there, gifts for friends and family that I know they'll enjoy if I see it, especially if I see it on sale. So there's been some movement in this account. So I have 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 550, 570, 580, $5.81. So I have $5.81. And in Christmas, we are adding $20. So I have a 20. And so we have 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 550, 570, 590, 600, 601. So we have $601 in our Christmas fund, and I think that's a good amount to have currently. I would like a little bit more because Black Friday is coming up, and I want to participate in good sale prices if I can. I am not one to stand in line outside to do any sort of deals, I'll be honest, but I do love online deals and Cyber Monday deals as well. So I plan on using this Christmas fund to purchase gifts for whoever I'm gifting during that time. So that's that. So Christmas, 601, I think we're on the right track. And then we have luxury. Luxury is a fund that I started for me basically to get a luxury item. I've been eyeing a few luxury items and just window shopping, and I wanted to start saving in order to hopefully purchase one day. I kind of want to make it a gift or reward for paying off my credit card. So I don't intend on really stuffing this until after I pay off my credit card and kind of allocate some of the money that I make extra into my credit card payments and paying down my credit cards towards a reward for myself. So that is kind of the plan, but I'm starting with little amounts. I currently have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have $10 in my luxury fund currently, and this cash stuffing, I am adding another 10 to it, so that should be a total of $20. And I'm just gonna grab a 10 and add it. So $20 in my luxury fund, and this is one that I intend to have for a very long time. Luxury item prices are really expensive and kind of ridiculous, so I don't foresee this one being used anytime soon. So that's that for luxury. Next up we have my daughter's fund. If you're new here, the 2 is just a kind of good luck charm that I save in both of my daughter and son's cash envelope. I intend on giving it to them when they're older. My dad used to always gift us $2 bills. It was like a special thing, like a gift he used to do, and I want to continue kind of that tradition for them. So I've been saving the $2 bills that I like, that are like newer-ish and good condition, to give to them throughout their childhood. So they're still really young to the point where they'll lose it or shred it, I don't even know. So I'm just gonna continue saving them and not count them as part of the budget and gift it to them when they're older. So 50, 100, 120, 140, 150, 160, 170, 180, 185, 190, 195. So she has 195 currently. And we are adding $30 into her fund, so I'm going to use a 20 and a 10 for her fund. 50, 100, 120, 140, 160, 170, 180, 190, 200, 210, 215, 220, 225. So 225. And next up is my son. I created a new envelope for him to add him to the sinking fund binder. I do want to update my daughter's one. I still haven't decided what to do for hers, but my son is on par with him because he loves to steal the Switch from us. I have in my son's fund, we have 50, 100, 120, 130, 140, 150, 160, 170, 175, 180, 185, 190, 195. So he has 195 just like his sister, and he is getting $30 just like his sister. So I'm gonna do a 20 and a 10 for him. And that means that he has 225 as well. I'm just gonna spare you me counting it. It's the same exact amount. So next up I have my hubby's sinking fund. I use these two as placeholders for both my hubby's and I's sinking fund. I know my husband has talked about upgrading his computer, so we might be putting in more money towards that into just this fund instead of creating a whole new fund, and then use that towards his computer upgrade. So in my hubby I have 50, 60, 70, 75, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81. So 81 are adding $10. So I'm gonna grab a 10, and now we have, so if we add a 10, then we have 91. So we have 50, 60, 70, 80, 85, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91. So 91 into my husband's account, my fund, and I have mine in an envelope as well, but I'm gonna put it in here. So in the mommy fund, we have 50, 60, 65, 70, 75, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81. So 81, like add a 10. I have 50, 60, 70, 75, 80, 85, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91. So 91. And lastly, we have our saving challenge money. I put the savings challenge money in the back here, and for our savings challenge we are doing $58, so that should be honestly the last of it. So let's see, 20, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 56, 57, 58. And I'm gonna put it back here until I am ready to do my savings challenge, which will be soon. That sums up my video. Hopefully you enjoyed watching. If you enjoy this sort of video and this sort of content, please consider becoming a subscriber and clicking on the notifications. And that's it, party people. That sums up my video for this week. Hopefully you enjoyed watching my sinking fund cash stuffing, and if you have time and want to watch more videos, please check out my end card where you'll see more similar videos. I would love for you to become a subscriber and be notified of any new videos that I post. I like to post on a weekly basis. I typically post on Fridays. And that is it. I will catch you on the next one. Bye. Look at that face. Look at that boy. Hi. Thank you. My beautiful.